How to hide followers on Spotify. Welcome back everyone to a new video of app tutorial. Now first of all, let's head over to Spotify. Now once you open up the Spotify app, you can tap on the settings icon on the top right and tap on your name on the top again, and it's going to show you the list of your followers and the people that you follow. Now unfortunately there is no option of hiding your followers or your following list on Spotify. But however, if you're trying to hide it from a particular person, what you can do in this case is open up their profile on Spotify and tap on the three dots right here, and you can block them. If you tap on block, you can see it says will no longer be able to see your profile, follow you, or see your listing activity. So if you block them, they won't be able to see that you have a certain number of followers, and they won't be able to open up your profiles as well. So that's the only thing that you can do in case of hiding followers on Spotify. So that was the video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel.